Hello, I'm Zybernaut, a digital adventurer taking you on a journey through the world of AI. Can you believe it? These stunning images were all generated using Stable Diffusion. There are tons of tutorials online about installing Stable Diffusion, but when you try it yourself, do you run into these problems? You want to create amazing AI artwork with Stable Diffusion, but the installation process gives you a headache. Python configuration failures, GPU driver issues, dependency errors? Tutorials online are scattered and incomplete. You spend half a day struggling, only to end up with nothing working. Some guides are so complex that the average user can't even understand them. Don't worry, I've already solved these problems for you. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to install Stable Diffusion, along with some useful plugins and optimization tricks to instantly improve your AI-generated artwork. I've put together an all-in-one Stable Diffusion installation package. Just download, extract, and run. It's ready to use. This all-in-one package is specifically designed for Windows plus NVIDIA GPU users, making installation completely hassle-free. You don't need to install Python separately, manually configure dependencies, or write any code. Just download, extract, and double-click to run. It even comes with a default model preloaded so you can start generating images right away without searching for models. However, if you're using a Mac, an AMD GPU, or a Linux system, I'm sorry, but this package isn't supported yet. I haven't had the chance to test and optimize for those setups. If you're a Windows plus NVIDIA user, this package is the perfect choice for you. You can find the download link on my Patreon. Supporting me also gives you access to more resources. Once you've downloaded the installation package, extract it and wait a moment. I've already prepared the necessary models and plugins to make sure your experience is seamless. After extraction, double-click the double-click-to-run.bat file and select the option based on your GPU's VRAM. Choose 1 for less than 4 graphics memory, 3 for more than 8 graphics memory, and 2 for anything in between. Next, I highly recommend enabling Xformers. It speeds up generation, reduces VRAM usage, and allows for higher resolutions, though it may cause slight numerical instability. Finally, pick your preferred UI theme. Light or dark, it's up to you. Once configured, launch the Stable Diffusion WebUI. It's that simple and fast. Now let's see how to use it. In the top left corner, you'll see the built-in model. You can also download and switch to other models freely. Try entering a prompt. The top field is for what you want in the image, and the bottom field is for things you don't want to appear. No need to adjust other settings. Just click the Generate button, and within seconds, a smiling beauty appears like magic. Now let's tweak some parameters. Set the sampling method to DPM++ SDE and the schedule type to Keras with a sampling step count of 6. Adjust the image resolution. Set the CFG scale to 1.5 to control how closely the image follows the prompt. Click Generate again, and you'll see an instant improvement. The results look incredible. A quick note, Stable Diffusion can generate NSFW content, but I won't be showing that here. If you want to upscale the image, enable hires.fix and select your desired upscaling factor. Stable Diffusion's built-in features are great, but if you want even more precise and professional results, some plugins are essential. The first must-have plugin is ADetailer, which automatically refines facial details in AI-generated images. Many people using Stable Diffusion struggle with distorted faces, blurry details, misaligned features, and so on. ADetailer can detect faces and enhance them automatically, making characters look more natural and realistic. If you frequently generate portraits or photorealistic images, this plugin is an absolute game-changer. Another essential plugin is ControlNet, which gives you precise control over image composition. By default, Stable Diffusion generates images based solely on text prompts. But sometimes you want to specify poses or layouts. That's where ControlNet comes in. For example, let's generate a woman in jeans with the prompt squatting, and she will squat down. But if you want her pose to match another image exactly, you can enable ControlNet and upload a reference image. Select preprocessor as OpenPose Full, model as Control OpenPose FP16. Check Allow Preview and generate the pose skeleton. Click Generate again, and now she perfectly matches the reference pose. You can even modify the skeleton to adjust the pose freely. It's super flexible. Besides plugins, optimizing prompts is crucial for generating high-quality AI art. Beginners often struggle with writing effective prompts or find it tedious to enter complex prompts manually. That's why I've compiled a preset prompt library, styles.csv, containing a variety of pre-configured prompts for different styles. It's super easy to use. Just download it, place it in the Stable Diffusion WebUI root folder, and restart WebUI. You can then load styles with a single click. Say goodbye to complicated prompts, just pick a style and generate stunning artwork effortlessly. This file is also available on my Patreon. If you want to skip the hassle of installation and jump straight into using Stable Diffusion, check out my Patreon for the all-in-one package. One-click install, extract, and run. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Got any questions? Leave a comment and I'll do my best to reply. See you in the next video.